Changing your Xbox password isn't too complex. But let's face it, dealing with passwords can be like trying to remember which houseplant needs watering first. And it's really it's important to keep your account secured, especially with cyber threats on the rise, uh, predicted to 5 trillion annually by 2025. First thing, make sure you're connected to the internet on your Xbox. No Wi-Fi, no progress. Head to the settings menu by pressing the Xbox button on your controller. You'll find it under profile and system. It's like entering the brain of your console. Once you're in, choose account and navigate to sign in, security, and passkey. This section is your personal safeguard hub, like Fort Knox for your gaming world. Ensure you handle it with the seriousness of holding a Fabergé egg. Select Change My Sign-In and Security Preferences. This is equivalent to unlocking a secret door to access all things safe. Here you'll choose Customize to personalize your security settings, just as one would a playlist. Press Change My Password. A quick prompt will appear asking for your current password. Type it in like a ninja, making no mistakes, swift and precise. This ensures the system knows it's genuinely you. Now, here's a moment that makes or breaks it creating your new password. Aim for something longer than 8 characters, incorporating numbers and symbols. Avoid common passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or password. You're not in a spy movie, but secrecy is everything. Pro tip, use a password manager if you struggle with remembering complex passwords. 1 in 5 people forgets their password within 2 weeks. These digital assistants can keep all your codes secure and on hand, like a high-tech diary. Finally, confirm your new password by typing it in one more time. This step guarantees no typos or mistakes are made. It's the equivalent of double checking a parachute before a jump. You know, it's not overkill, it's necessary. Hit Enter or A to save your new password. Your Xbox will take a moment to process the change, but you'll emerge on the other side more secure. It's like following the yellow brick road to a safe gaming experience. Test your new password by signing out and then back in. This verifies your update was successful. Consider it your final exam in password changing proficiency. Master this, and it's peace of mind from here on out. Remember to update any device or app that uses your Xbox account with the new password. This ensures continuity of access. Nothing worse than thinking you're locked out of your own exclusive club. And there you have it. You're not just a gamer. You're now a password maestro in the digital realm. Let the games continue knowing your account's shielded like a fortress. Anyone else need password assistance? I'm Stott, and I'm here to help, one sign-in at a time,